Agunda floats it down, but again it's closer. Long levers of Pure 2i. Lovely hands from Pure 2i. The pace of Setefano Sakau, who had been lying his age, is certainly the replacement into the post, and that's it.
And now they try and go down the flank here. Lawata inside to Kalinisau. Kalinisau now looking for someone to come back on the cup. That man is 2i. Jerry 2i, one to beat. Just a sweeper, 2i, the pop pass inside. Here comes the first try. Malai.
Pure 2i gets the ball, the little pop pass inside. Oh, lovely hand, Sammy Kunatani on his way to the try line. Magnificent from the fabulous Fijian flyer.
The penalty at 11. Away goes Fiji yet again. Out of the hands of Kunatani. He fires into Viliami Mata. Oh, big man with the soft hands and inside. Semanatha Roatha.
Big Pure 2i. He is nearly through, but caught. Oh, but a lovely pass off to Jerry 2i.
That is Domalalai. Kunatani offloads beautifully, and now the raking pass across the pitch. Switch is good, switch is real good. So's the footwork from Rawatha. Oh, they're having a party!
Nasila on the wide outside, tracked down by Lowe. Wonderful support on the inside. And Jose Rasinga.